And with another video, and today we're gonna see some fireworks, guys.
Fireworks. Fireworks. Remember, get it? Fireworks, guys. Fire's the best. Hey, dog, come here, bro. In a YouTube channel. Okay. So, we're getting the seat right now.
It was raining in Warrensburg.
Really?
Yep.
So, we found a seat. I might film some. I don't know. I might film some of the fireworks. You better subscribe,
Hi
though.
guys, you probably can't see anything right now. You'll see the
Where do you
fireworks
want
though.
to go? Out there? Yeah.
So, we found a spot now. And it's pretty good. Not the best. It's the best of the best. But it's good, right, Britt? We're gonna start now. Peace out. Fireworks are awesome. Yeah. Also, guys, we going up by the sign. Come on, guy. Oh, here we go. Here's our first one. That was the loud one, guys. Here's our first one. Hey, guys, there we go. Colorful. You see that? There we go. I gotta do a selfie of this.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. There it is. That's
Oh, they're coming right up. Awesome. Hey, that's my blanket. That's mine. Hey, oh, mine. Mine. Let's see, guys. So here are the fireworks. Those are my favorite, guys. There's a red one. I think, no, that's a white one, I think. No, that's a people. That's a pink one, I think. I'm just gonna let this take over. Let the fireworks take over. Yeah! You had to do that for the video.
Yes, I did.
Oh, colorful!
Holy crap!
Holy!
Right out.
Oh Lord Jesus, fire!
Dude, they're literally coming right.
Oh, dang! I'm gonna get shot. Oh crap!
Holy crap! They look like they're coming for me. Oh my
Whoa.
gosh! That was coming for me. I'm dead meat.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end this there.
You can't see anything.
You can't see anything. Oh no, get in this. It's raining. Nice one!
Oh, this one's the big one.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Touch ground. Touch ground. Come on.
Oh my God.
Come on. I need to touch ground, guys. Okay, last firework, and then we're gonna end this video here. By the way, like and subscribe. I haven't said that in a long time. So yeah,
No, that's my outro.
it ain't my fault. I stole
That's
Tanner's.
Tanner Brungard's.